Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to submit the assignment that we started last week. This assignment is with the personal writing part of the simple past tense handout. So if you remember, we worked on this on last week, and we did these 2 pages. And then I asked you for homework to complete page 3. That's this. So it should look something like this. You complete the sentences, and then you're going to write it as a paragraph. So take these sentences, omit the numbers, write it with a title, My Story, that would be your name, and then your story. Okay. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You can write this as a Word document and do it in Microsoft Word and make it a file called My Story. Okay. And when you get ready to submit your assignment, go into Canvas, go to module number 2, go to almost the end where it says Do Write and Submit My Story Paragraph. Click Start Assignment. Okay, there's 2 ways you can do this. If you're going to attach a Microsoft Word file, use File Upload. Click Upload File, and then choose File, and then look on Desktop. Find the file you just did, which is called My Story. Click Open, and then click Submit. The other way, if you don't have Microsoft Word, you can click Text Entry and then just type your paragraph here. Okay. Whichever way you submit your assignment, make sure you click the Submit Assignment button when you're finished. So again, you can attach the file or you can do the text box. When you're done, click Submit Assignment, and it will be sent to me. That's it.